Ready to ditch the disc and dive straight into the virtual pitch. Let's get FIFA 24 downloaded on your PC in under 90 seconds. First up, make sure you have the AO app installed. If not, head over to the official AO website, which will be linked in the description below, and download the AO app installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to get it all set up. Okay, now launch the AO app. You'll need to either sign in with your existing AO account or create a new one if you haven't already. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar within the AO app, type in FIFA 24 and hit enter. Find FIFA 24 in the search results and click on it to go to its game page. You'll see a button that says either purchase if you haven't bought it yet, or download if you already own the game. Click that button. If you're downloading, you might be prompted to choose an installation location for the game files. Select your preferred location and then let the download begin. This might take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the download button will turn into a play button. You can also find FIFA 24 in your AO app game library. Just click play, fire it up, and get ready to score some goals. Enjoy.